ORSEN LCD Writing Tablet Toys, 8.5-inch Doodle board drawing pad gifts for kids, dinosaur drawing board for Christmas birthday gift for toddler boys girls 2 3 4 5 6 years old green. The ORSEN LCD Writing Tablet is a fun and educational toy designed for kids aged 2 to 8 years old. Benefits. Unique design. The tablet features a super cute dinosaur pattern that appeals to kids. Easy to use. The tablet is easy to use, just use the stylus to write, draw or doodle anything you want. The erase key clears the screen content instantly. Educational. The tablet promotes creativity, imagination, and early writing skills. It's a great tool for practicing letters, numbers, and drawing. Portable and durable. Made of durable plastic with rounded corners, it's anti-fall and lightweight, only 150 grams. Perfect for travel and various settings. Drawbacks. Plastic material. Some parents may prefer eco-friendly materials over an all-plastic design. Limited age range. While perfect for toddlers and preschoolers, older kids may outgrow its simplicity. Overall impression. The ORSEN LCD Writing Tablet is a great way to encourage creativity and imagination in kids. It's easy to use, promotes early writing skills, and provides hours of entertainment. While it may not be suitable for older kids, it's a great choice for toddlers and preschoolers. If you're looking for a fun and educational toy that's easy to take on the go, this tablet is a solid choice. The ORSEN LCD Writing Tablet is priced at $12.98 on Amazon.